Do you know that the sound of a flowing stream can help you achieve many of your daily tasks? There are some very rare calming and health benefits of looking at bodies of water, and even greater if we also hear the sound of water and watch swimming fish too. Water is considered the elixir and source of life. It is not by coincidence that 70% of the Earth's surface, our bodies, our hearts and brains, are made up of water. These deep biological connections have been shown to trigger an immediate response in our brains when we see or hear the sound of flowing rivers. In fact, the mere sight and sound of water can induce a flow of neurochemicals that promote wellness, increase blood flow to the brain and heart, and induce relaxation. Thanks to science, we are now able to connect the dots to the full range of emotional benefits gained by seeing or hearing the sound of water. It might sound a little fishy at first, but research has shown that people who spend some time watching fish could see improvement in their physical and mental well-being. It is time we take advantage of both the impact of sound of streams and watching of fish on a state of happiness and health. It might seem random and surprising, but surrounding yourself with the soothing sound of falling water can impact your mental and physical health in more ways than you would think. In this video, we are going to share 8 ways that the sound of falling water and watching live swimming fish can benefit your daily life and induce a state of calm and focus. 1. Lower blood pressure and heart rate. The exposure to nature's sound enhances the body's ability to disconnect and let go of a natural way of response, relaxing the central nervous system and allowing you to truly get connected with your inner peace. It might sound a little fishy at first, but research shows that the people who spend some time watching fish will see improvement in their physical and mental well-being. Viewing swimming fish lead to noticeable reduction in blood pressure and heart rate. Higher numbers of fish help to hold people's attention for longer and improve their mood. 2. Anxiety and stress relief. The health benefits of water are evident for everyone, but not many people know about the benefit of the sound of flowing rivers. When we are so focused on staying busy, making deadlines, and meeting goals, stress and anxiety creeps in and become just as much as part of our daily life as brushing our teeth. If we don't take the time to find ways to relieve it, it starts to take a toll on both our mental and physical health. We become so stressed out, anxious, overconnected, and overstimulated by the current norms of our modern lives. Our brains experience neurological, physiological, and emotional changes when we see and hear the sound of flowing water. Most people listen to their preferred water running noise when they are stressed, depressed, or sad. But that is just a part of all the situations that can improve with the kind of sound. The sight and sound of water connect us back with nature into a meditative state. So the next time that you are feeling stressed or anxious, take 30 minutes or an hour to watch and listen to natural water sound to relax. Our next upload video will be a 1-hour natural river sound with live fish to help you relax and release stress and anxiety. Please kindly like, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you will be notified when we upload the next video soon. It will be 1 hour of natural water sound with different types of swimming fishes and no talking to help you lower your blood pressure, heart rate, relax, focus, concentrate, meditate, connect with nature, reduce anxiety and stress. Third, natural relaxation. The sound of flowing water can relax your mind and body. This sound physically modifies the synapses in your brain, managing to optimize the connections between neurons as well as reducing the flight instinct. The brain enjoys the power of relaxation brought by nature's sound, no matter if it is directly exposed to nature or a mere recording of those sounds. The repetitive nature of things, like flowing water, can induce a type of light hypnosis or deep relaxation, instantly taking people to their happy place. It can help you sleep if you are having trouble with that too. And every day, many people use this sound of water flowing to sleep or focus. Research shows greater perception of relaxation and mood, and less anxiety during or after viewing a live fish condition. These conditions indicate that perception of mood and relaxation are positively affected by viewing live fish. This study demonstrates that individuals perceive benefits, including a decrease in stress, elevation of mood, and increase in relaxation while viewing a tank of live fish, especially when the live fish is swimming in a natural river like this. 4. Increased concentration. Do you ever feel scattered throughout the day, like you are jumping from task to task, and when the day is over, you wonder what you even got done? We feel you. With the constant distraction of emails, messaging, phone notification, and impromptu meetings, some days it's hard to concentrate enough to follow a task through to completion. Luckily, increasing our concentration can be as simple as listening to the sound of falling water throughout the day. The cognitive response to the sound of flowing water has been shown to increase productivity, improve overall mood, and create a deeper relaxation. Which makes sense, right? It is hard to concentrate on the task at hand when you are stressed out. A 2017 study from the University of Sussex delved deeper into what the effect of listening to natural water sound are on our minds and bodies. When the participants listened to the sound of nature, the brain connectivity reflected an outward-directed focus of attention. Listening to natural sound water leads to relaxation of the body and better focus on a task. So if you find yourself struggling to focus at work while you are studying or even doing your creative time, then you have to just check out our next video of 1 hour of flowing river sound on Susie Health Tips. Listen for an hour to relax and regain focus. 5th, improve your sleep quality. Who doesn't want better sleep? There is nothing worse than spending all day feeling tired and groggy. And then, when it's finally time to go to bed, guess what? You suddenly wake up and think about all the random things you need to do, or scroll mindless through your phone until you fall asleep and start the circle all over again in the morning. If you've spent any time googling how to fall asleep faster, you have probably read suggestions about playing water sound like falling rains or ocean waves to help lure you to sleep. That's because our brain interprets sound as either threats or non-threats. And the smooth and steady sound of moving water is registered as a non-threat that helps put us in a more relaxed state. Natural sounds are also like Mother Nature's version of a white noise machine. The soothing sounds help tune out both internal and external noise. If you have trouble sleeping because your mind gets busy, or because you live in a city that's busy with noise at all hours, then the sound of falling water gives your mind something else to focus on, so you can drift off peacefully into sleep. 6. Natural meditation assistance. For years, we've been hearing how great meditation is for our mental health. But it can be pretty hard to sit still and quiet our minds. There is so many distractions. Sitting in one position might get uncomfortable and make you fidgety. Or maybe you start to get frustrated or even fall asleep. Well, the soothing sound of flowing water is coming to your rescue again. We've already touched on how the natural sound of water can help create an overall more relaxed and focused mindset. And it's really that same idea coming into play again with meditation assistance. Everybody may hear a different song in the water. Just listening to the sound, not tying it to anything, just letting sound wash over you is a way of letting go of your ideas and directly experiencing things as they are, which is essentially the idea behind meditation. Not to completely empty your mind of thoughts or feelings, but to observe and understand them. Maybe you've tried meditation before with little success, but we are going to challenge you to give it another go. Create a peaceful spot in your home where you won't be interrupted for a few minutes. Go to YouTube, then go to Civic Health channel and search for our next video titled How to Sleep Faster, Flowing Water with Soothing Fish Sounds, and start with short breathing exercises. Keep at it, and pretty soon you'll be a meditation master. 7. More positive attitudes. Listening to water sounds are directly linked with more productivity at work and less stress levels. It shows a clear drop in crankiness and tension that leads to a more positive attitude when being confronted with day-to-day problems and difficulties. 8. Reconnect with nature. You will be given the chance to reconnect with Mother Nature itself and enjoy the benefits of living in harmony with nature. Our brain interprets flowing water as a non-threatening sound that helps us to increase focus and productivity. Those who enjoy the symphony of nature are a lot more probable to deliver more productive work and be able to focus better. While spending time in natural environment has been shown to provide calming effects on humans, research has shown that doses of exposure to underwater settings will actually have more positive impact on people's well-being. Lower heart rates and blood pressure directly correspond to increasing fish numbers exhibited. Various studies have revealed that even just watching a fish swim can significantly lower stress and anxiety levels. Flowing water will reflect positive energy and make your life peaceful and vibrant. Looking at a swimming fish can slow your heart rate and lower your blood pressure. Watch out for our next video as we present to you an hour of relaxation, focus, and meditation. I hope this video will actually help you to prepare for our next 1-hour video, which will be dropping next week. It will really help you to meditate. So I will ask all of you to kindly like, share your opinion in your comment section below, subscribe, and don't forget to hit on that notification bell so you'll be the one of the first to be notified when we upload a new video soon. Thank you for watching. Cheers.